Welcome to week 5 of house renovation updates. First big major thing happened this week. We got our gas line installed. We have a gas box, meter box, I don't know. But we are one step closer to having working central heating. Come on in. Yesterday we got the shower tray delivered, which as you can see is a rather sizable shower tray. Toilet and the sink unit and all of that stuff got delivered as well, so that's just being stored in the living room. Not a whole lot exciting has happened in there, but we've got plasterboard up in the kitchen. The kitchen isn't arriving until the week commencing the 16th of July. At this rate, the kitchen is going to be the very last thing that comes into the house. Everything else hopefully at that point will be done. The only way I can describe it is our shitty rig tap, basically. So the plumber, we had a bit of an issue with the very old lead pipe. That's the main source of water in here. I sort of stayed out of it, to be honest, because the plumber was getting very stressed, so I just stayed away. But we had to go to the neighbours to get them to turn their water off because the lead pipe was leaking and he had to go out and get some emergency supplies. So we didn't have a tap inside at all for a couple of days. You just have to be really careful with it at the moment. So that's the water situation, what we're working with. Nothing new over here, apart from the French doors will be arriving this week. So the first fix of the electrics went in, so that's why the plug sockets are here. Oh, no, just look out of the window. We have grass growing. I have been nurturing the grass seed, and it's growing and it's very exciting, and I've been talking to it every day. I ran out of grass seed for the second side of the lawn, but we've just been to B&Q and picked up another load of it, so I will keep sowing that next week. But we finally got some grass going. Have a look at some more excitement. Main thing up here is the bathroom. So we no longer have an open plan bathroom and guest bedroom. We've got plasterboard up, the wall has been filled in. As far as I'm aware, the next sort of steps of the process are to get this wall plasterboarded so that everything looks the same. And then on Monday, the plumber is coming and he's going to commit and take these out and do the first fix of the plumbing, and then actually get the shower tray in, the toilet is going to be moved to there, the sink is going to be in a similar place, and then this is going to be just space. So we're going to have all of that done on Monday, Tuesday hopefully. The electrician put in the lights. This is the wall from the guest bedroom. Oh, let's go to the bike room.
Don't watch the hall.
Oh yeah. The final thing that was done this week was the painting of the bike room. So everything looks a lot cleaner and brighter. I've got another coat or two to do on these walls, but it looks much better now that there is not floral wallpaper or a wardrobe in here. Flooring wise, I am not having any flooring put in here because I didn't want to get carpet, because if I'm going to be sweating in here when I'm on the bike, there's just no point in having carpet, it's just going to be a bit gross. So I think I'm just going to keep the floorboards and just get a really large mat. I have filled a lot of gaps this week. I've filled around a lot of plug sockets. So we're getting there. I just need to keep sanding, although the sander's broken. And my car is broken. So my car died this week as well, which was, it always happens at the time that you don't need the extra expense of buying a new car, but the timing belt broke. So my car has been sent for scrap and it's dead as a dodo, unfortunately. So we're going to go car shopping now. That was one of those unfortunate life things that you don't need, but it's just one of those things. I hope that you've enjoyed this update as usual. Thank you for all the comments. It's really nice to read them. I'm really enjoying this process. So thank you all for the comments, and I will see you next week for another house update.
Bye.
Bye.